Hello everyone, I've gotten random messages asking me where my light bar is from. So surprise, surprise, it's homemade. So here's a quick video on how to make a light bar for around $100. It's very bright. Each one of these lights is 4,800 lumens. All six are totaling 28,800 lumens, which is over 10,000 more lumens than this KC light bar that retails for around $2,000. So the first thing you need, of course, is the lights. They come in a pair of two from Amazon for $28. And of course, the next thing you need is these bolts here. You need the nut and bolt. You just get a longer one. They usually come with all the windshields to hold them in place. So you can see there, it just compensates for the extra width of that square tube. And of course, you can find these at any hardware store for a couple of bucks, so not a big deal. And the next thing is a square tube. So I needed a 4-foot square tube since my Pro XP needed 3 feet 3 inches to accommodate the windshield. So I just cut the rest and then attach those lights to the top of this tube. Next thing is you need these end caps, and that's just to wrap it up and make it look cleaner and so you don't get water in there and get it rusty. These of course are on Amazon as well for, I believe, a pack of 4 for $4, so not too much. And lastly, I put this sticker on there. This is optional, and I know there's a lot of elitist UTV riders out there, so I'm gonna pretend it might be a brand. So I just got Sticker Bond from Wish for a couple of bucks and just put a random sticker on there. So after that, it's all completed, and you can see how bright it is, and it serves its purpose and only costs $100 instead of $2,000. So subscribe for more random mods, and thank you for watching.